Hello YouTubers, my name is Clarence, and this afternoon I'm going to show you how to change an air filter in about 3 minutes. For real, no jokes, real deal. 3 minutes I'm going to show you how to change an air filter, and everything you need to do is right here on the car. It's the same car. I got a 2013 Hyundai Sonata GLS, and I got the air filter. It came with the package when I bought the oil filter change unit from AutoZone. So I'm gonna use that promotional thing to replace my filter because they gave it to me for free. Okay, now let's get to changing the filter. Okay, here's a 2013 Hyundai Sonata. This is the engine. Now the filter is located right here. It has 4 clips, no screws, no tools needed. And the way we do it is we're going to undo one clip, going to undo another clip, going to move to the back side over here and undo these clips. Okay, here's a clip right here. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm going to try my best to get to it so you can see it. This clip. And here's another clip right here where my finger's at, right there. And just push that clip. And once you do that, you just take this whole assembly and pick up on it. Right? Just pick up on it. And it exposes the filter. See the filter? You take the filter, go ahead and take that filter out. Yes, sir. Pull this filter out, right? One of the things along with changing the filter is the inlet where it pulls in from the outside normally have trash in it. Let's look in here and see if we got any trash. Oh, okay. See this? We got a bunch of debris, leaves and other stuff in there, right? So what I'm gonna do is I got the leaves with my hand, but I'm gonna take the vacuum cleaner. I got a shop vac. Take this shop vac and vacuum this stuff out of here. Got a little small shop vac that I got from, I think I got it from Walmart. You can use a house vacuum cleaner or however you want to do it. Get all that stuff out of there, okay? Okay, I got all the stuff out of there now. If you wanted to, you can take this whole cap off by just removing this screw right here, and this whole cap that goes over the air filter would come off, and you just set it to the side. Only thing I did was pick it up to where I can pour the filter out. I vacuum inside of it, get all the trash and debris out of there. This is my old filter. It's seen its better days. And this is my new filter. Make sure you put it in the right way. The same way you pour the old filter out is the same way you're gonna put the new filter in. Okay? See, there's a big difference. Now, I looked around the filter, right? There ain't no slots or anything. It's just that the gasket sides of this filter goes up. Okay? Let's see if we can do this with one hand holding the camera. I think I can. There we go. You want to make sure you seat it and seal it, and I'll explain that in a minute. So first thing I'm doing, I'm setting it. I set it in the seat. It's seated all along. Here's the seal. It's seated, and then you pour the cap over on it. Okay. Once you pour the cap on, make sure the cap is sealed and seated. And then all you got to do is this right here. That's one. Here's the other one. That's 2. And remember, you got 2 at the bottom now. Don't forget them. Let's try and get trash in there. That's 3. And the other one is right here where my finger's at. And that's the 4th one, okay? And it's done. That was about, what, 3 minutes? Easy. Easy. Easy peasy. And it's worth the life of your engine. Got the trash out, got it seated, got it cleaned, the whole 9 yards, and we're done. That's STP air filter. I just chose STP because it came with the deal I got. Other than that, that's it. My name is Clarence, and we just replaced that air filter on a 2013 Hyundai Sonata, and it didn't take but maybe 3 minutes. Go to my YouTube page, channel, hit the subscribe button. You can check like or dislike. It don't matter. I learn more from dislikes because it shows me I need to do a little bit better. And subscribe to the channel, and the next thing coming out, you're going to get a notice. My name is Clarence. YouTube family, you can fix it yourself.